Okay.
Okay. See, suppose if it is a number like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, division by 9. Tell the answer for this.
Sir, we have to get one down. Yeah.
1 second. Okay. And here one more thing we need to do is we already completed this, but just a revision. 9 division. Okay, tell. First drop 1, then 1 plus 2 is?
Yes, sir. 1 plus 2 is 3, sir.
3 plus 2 is?
5.
5 plus 1 is?
6.
6 plus 0 is?
6.
6. Last 6 is the remainder. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Or otherwise we can say 1356.6.
Yes, sir. Here we can add the point.
Yeah. Suppose if the same question, a similar question is given, suppose 1, 2, 2, 1, 0. Suppose this is the question. By 99. Okay. For 9, what is the base? 10, right?
So 9 the base is 10, then 99 the base is
Consists of only 1 0. That's why we have dropped only one digit at a time. But here for 99, what is the base?
That sir, I joined late.
100.
Yeah, no issue. Just now only we started. Okay, for 99, what is the base? 100. Base consists of how many zeros?
2 zeros, sir.
2 zeros means we have to drop pairs of digits. Okay, first to drop 11. Next is 11 plus 22 is?
33.
33.
33 plus 10 is?
43. 43.
That's all. Division is over. Last 43 is the remainder.
Okay,
That's
sir.
it, sir.
In this, you have to add point after 2 before 2 digits.
Yes, if the decimal point is equal,
two digits, right,
double one,
sir,
double
and
three. Yeah, 0.43. And it is only for 99 we can place a remainder, sorry, decimal point after, for remainder.
Only for 99.
Yes.
Sir, for 88 we have to double it, right, sir, and double and
88
add.
or 98?
88, sir.
No, 98. 98 is 2 less than 100, no?
Okay, for 98 it is like that.
Yeah, for 98 we have to double the number before adding. Okay, we'll
sir,
do that exercise also. If you are clear with this, we'll go to the exercise.
So this is clear, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Simple. Same as the 9 division only, but here we have to drop pairs of digits. So that's all. Okay, you can give your names. Okay. 9 questions are there. Sorry, 7 questions are there.
Sir, should I tell the names?
Sir, Abhinav takes E, sir.
Sir, Abhinav, E. Abhinav.
One sec.
E. Abhinav.
E. Abhinav.
D. Shreyasi, sir.
Abhinav, okay.
E. Shreyasi. F, sorry.
D.
Sorry, sir. D. Shreyasi. F. Me, sir. Vishnu.
Okay.
Lalit. E. Lalit, which is noun. G. Navya, sir. G. Navya. Okay. C. Lalit.
Okay.
Krishnaditya, H.
H is not there. B, that's
B,
why.
B.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Only
Navya, take one question. A is remaining. Oh, Navya already taken. Dhatri,
yes,
do you have mic
Her
problem?
mic does not work, she told.
Maybe. Shreyasi, taken already.
Sir, Manideep did not take, sir. Manideep.
Manideep, Abhinav.
Abhinav took, sir.
Sir, I have a question, sir. In this division,
okay.
if there are non-even numbers, sir, what should we do?
Odd number of digits.
The digits are non-even.
Odd number of digits.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will tell that also. Manideep took your question. Sorry, take your question. Only one question is remaining. That is A. Bhavya, is it your first class?
No, sir. I just joined now, so I don't remember the method, sir.
From which class?
So I joined a few classes before.
Okay, okay. First
Sir,
time
some.
I'm seeing your name.
Yes, sir. Even Bhavya Gangaravapu.
Gangavarapu. Okay, Manideep, can you take it now? Okay, meanwhile we'll do from B, and in the end we'll see that A also. Start, Krishnaditya.
Yes, I will drop down 21.
Okay,
21 plus 31, 52.
52, yes.
Then 52 plus 41, 93.
93,
Yes, sir. 2152 and remainder is 93.
yeah, either we can say 2052 with a remainder 93, or we can say 2051, sorry, 52.93. Lalit, proceed.
Yes, sir. So drop down 33.
Okay,
So then 33 plus 22, 55.
okay,
55 plus 11, 66. So 3,355.66.
that's all, very good. Shresi, proceed. 28 table.
Yes, sir. So drop down 28.
Okay,
Now 28 plus 28 is 56.
okay.
Yes, sir. Now
56
56
plus
plus
28.
yes, sir. It will be 84.
74 or 84.
84.
Yeah,
84.
84. And the answer is
2856.84 or 2856 with the remainder 84.
correct. Abhinav, proceed.
Sir, so 36 drop down
Okay,
and 36 plus 34 is 70.
okay,
And 70 plus 32 is 102.
how much? 102?
102.
102. Okay, how to do this now? Writing beside is enough
No, sir.
with the final
Sir,
answer?
Balance.
No. Okay, all of you see here. Here we have dropped pairs of digits, sir. So there should be a pair, but here we are getting 3-digit number. So
Sir, should
how
we
to balance
balance it?
here? Yes, we have to balance here, but balancing
Sir?
is not with the single digits, sir. Balancing is also with the pairs of digits, sir.
Okay.
Okay, drop units, drop a pair 02 and carry forward 1. 70 plus 1 is
71.
71 and 36. So the answer is
3671. Remainder 12.
yeah,
Sir, that's
71.
what I'm saying. Like one will go to the
And
next
one more thing here. One more, we forgot one more thing here. What is that thing? Anybody? We forgot one thing here. What is that thing? Anyone?
99 plus 9.
In 102, how many times 99 will go?
Ma'am, plus 1, sir. 1.
Yeah, plus 1.
Plus
After
one.
doing plus 1 only, we have to
102.
balance. After
03.
doing plus 1 only, we have to balance. 102 plus 1 is
103.
103. In that, drop 03, carry forward 1.
3671 with
71
the
and 36.
remainder 3.
Correct. So 3671.03.
03.
Got it? If the number is exceeding, that last number is exceeding 99, we have to balance. And before balancing, we have to add a number of 99s in that number. Okay.
Sir, can I start?
Start.
Okay. Sir, drop down 11.
Okay.
Sir, add 22 to 11, which will be 33.
Okay.
Add 11 to 33, which will be 44.
Okay.
Add 44 with 22, which would be 66.
Okay.
and there is a no 9, so we can directly write that the answer is 113344.66 or 113344 with remainder 66, sir.
Correct. Yeah, Navya, proceed.
Yes, sir. So 34
Okay.
and then 34 plus 56 is 90.
Okay.
And then the answer is 34.90 or 34 reminder 90.
Yeah. Or we can say 34.9 also.
Yes, sir.
Because after decimal, 0 have no value. Okay. And Manideep, do you have any problem with your mic or network? Okay, I am going to solve this question.
You only do it.
Okay. First is 12. 12 plus 14 is how much? 26.
26.
26 plus 16 is 42. That's all. 1226.42.
What?
Yeah.
Or 1226 with the remainder 42.
Yeah, somebody asked, Vishnu asked me,
Yes,
what if
sir.
there are odd number of digits? Suppose see
Yes.
1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2. If this is the case, then there is a mic. Division by 99.
99.
Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir, your voice is audible. Why?
Okay, okay. There is a DJ outside. Okay, see here. Take pairs of digits from right side, sorry, left side only. First is
10, sir.
10.
10,
Okay.
20,
10 plus 20 is
30, sir.
30. 30
61,
plus
sir.
31 is
61.
61. And then
63.
see here. And then
Oh,
we have to consider 1 0 here. We have to
Okay.
consider 1 0 here. 61 plus 20 is how much?
sir, it would be 81.
81. Okay. Actually, we need to keep the decimal point after 2 digits, right?
But now
Or
should
no?
we keep after 3 digits?
Yes, sir. Because of this 0 is taken extra,
Sir,
we have to take one more
sir,
digit extra.
like
That's all.
base.
Even though odd number of digits are there, we
Are
have
we
to make
doing
it
an
even
exercise?
digit, even number of digits
Sir,
by
are we
adding
doing
0.
an exercise on this case?
Sorry?
Sir, is there any exercise for this odd numbers?
Odd number of digits, there is no exercise.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can practice on your own. Okay.
Oh,
I will post it in our Google Classroom. You can practice based on this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then division by 98. We'll see. Let us do an example and later we'll solve. 1 0 1 1 2 1 divided by 98. Yeah, then tell me. First
Sir,
is
should we pairs 10, sir?
10. 10 double
20
is
we have to double it. 20 with 11.
20
which
plus
would
11
be
is
31.
31. 31 double is
62.
62 plus 21 is
82. 82.
that's all. So 82 is the remainder, not 0.82.
Because it's 98 and it does not count as for the case.
Yeah, for
like
98 decimal point and the remainder both are not same.
Okay, sir.
That is same for only 99.
Okay, sir. You can start the exercise.
Understood? All of you?
Understood, sir.
Yeah, before adding to the next pair of digits, we have to double it. Krishna Aditya, tell me.
Sir, that it is 83, no, sir?
Why 83? Okay. Sorry. That is a calculation mistake.
No, sir. How is it 83?
32 double, sorry, 31 double is how much? 62.
Sir.
62 plus 21 is?
83.
83. Okay. Thank you. Now you can give your names. Only 5 questions. Anyone read the names?
Should I tell the names? Okay, sir. D. Lalit,
Okay.
A. Krishnaditya,
Okay.
B. Vishnu.
Okay.
That's it, sir. Nobody else gave.
Navya, Shreyasi.
Sir, I take E, sir. E
Okay.
Shreyasi.
Put it in the
E,
chat.
Bhavya, very good. Shreyasi, let us give it to Bhavya and you take C. Oh, C is also over. Okay. Wait for the next exercise. Okay, Shreyasi, take rest for this exercise. Okay, we'll start. Krishnaditya, proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, 11 to the 22 and 22
No, no,
plus
no.
20.
First pair is as it is. Okay, 11, 11
Yes, sir,
only.
11.
Yeah, when you go to the next step, then double it and add it to the next pair.
Yes, sir, 44.
Yeah, 11 double is 22 plus 22 is 44. Then 44
Then
double is
44 double 88 and 88 plus 3, 91.
91. Okay. And here the answer is 1144
114 with remainder 9.
with remainder 91. Yeah. Vishnu, proceed.
Sir, drop down 10.
Okay.
10 double is 20. We have to add it with 20, 20 which would be 40.
40. Okay.
Then 40 double would be 80. 80 plus 10 is 90.
80 plus 10 is 90. Correct.
So then 90 is the remainder, sir.
Yes. What is the quotient?
Sir, 1040 is the quotient and 90 is the remainder.
Correct.
Sir,
Navya.
you said teachers to convert
So first we write 13.
One second. Vishnu, tell me.
Sir, you said that you will teach us to turn these into decimals.
Sorry?
Sir, I am asking that you told us that you will teach us to convert this remainder and quotient into decimals.
Yeah, I will tell. I will tell in not in this class also. I will tell in next class how to convert remainder to decimal.
Sir, the disturbance is from Navya, sir.
Navya.
So, yes, sir. So first we write 13 as it is.
Okay.
And then the double of 13 is 26. 26 plus 13 is 39.
Okay.
And then lastly 39 plus 13 is 52.
No. 39 double is.
Oh, 39 double is
78.
78 plus 13 is 91.
Very good.
Yeah, so the answer is 1339, remainder 91.
Correct. Then Lalit, proceed.
Yes, sir. So 20. So then double of 20 is 40, so 42.
40 plus 2 is 42. Okay.
So 42 double is 82, so 84.
84. Okay.
So 2042 with remainder 84.
Correct. Bhavya.
21 and 22 plus 31 is equal to 73.
Not
The
21 plus 30. Okay. 21 you have doubled already. 42. 42 plus 31 is 73. Okay. And the answer is?
21 and the remainder is 73.
Correct. Very good. Okay. These are the special division techniques. And one more division technique is there. Special division technique. That is division by 11. Division by 11. Okay. Let me explain this question and later you can do. See, what is division by 9? What is the shortcut for division by 9? Drop first digit,
So
add it to the next digit and drop
added
it again,
yes,
and add
sir.
it to the next digit and drop it again. So here we are adding the digit, right?
Yes,
But you
sir.
can expect in 11 what will be the case? We have to subtract. Yes. First drop 3. Okay, 3 as it is dropped. And we have to subtract bottom number with the top number. So we have to subtract 5 from, we have to subtract 3 from 5, not 5 from 3. 5 minus 3 is how much?
2.
2. That is the second digit. Now we need to subtract 2 from 8.
Sir, 6.
6. Now 6 subtracted from
1,
11.
sir.
Yeah, 7. Sorry, 11. Not 11, 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. That's all. Our
Yes,
question
sir,
is
1.
completed.
1 remain. Okay, sir.
Easy?
Very easy, sir. Like this
Very easy.
multiplication.
Okay.
Why is in place of 7 it is 5 then?
Sorry? In place of
Sir.
7, if it is 5. Okay.
Yes,
Is that
sir.
your
In
doubt,
case,
Krishnaditya?
yes, sir, is asking that.
Yeah. Let us take that question also here only. What is that number? 3, 5, 8, 5 division by 11. Okay. Krishnaditya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First drop 3. Now subtract 3 from 5.
2.
2. Next,
Two.
subtract 2 from 8.
6.
6. Now, how to subtract 6 from 5? We cannot subtract 6 from 5.
Yes, sir.
In this case, we have to do one work. What is that work is? Reduce this number by 1 and add that 1 before, write that 1 before 5. It will be 15 now. Okay, now is it possible to subtract 5 from 15?
Yes, sir, it will be 10.
Yeah, it will be 10. That's all. So that 10 is the remainder.
Okay, sir.
Got it, Krishnaditya?
Yes, sir.
Answer for this question is 3, 2, 5 with the remainder 10. Okay, and let us do one more question.
Sir, it is just like carry, right, sir? Putting 1 before 5, like similar.
Sorry? Ah, yes, yes. It is not carry
Sir, is
actually.
my voice a bit little,
Borrow.
like,
Yeah, we are taking borrow
yes,
from
sir,
6.
sorry, not carry, borrow.
Because these are subtractions, we
Sir,
have to
is
use
my
borrow.
voice low?
No, no, no. Your voice is normal. Okay, tell any number.
Sir, 5432.
5, 4, 3, 2. Division by 11.
11.
Okay. First drop 5. Okay, 5 dropped. Can you subtract 5 from 4?
Yes, sir, we can. It is 1.
No. Can you subtract 5 from 4?
No, sir, we cannot.
No, we cannot subtract. That's why reduce one number. Reduce
4
one
and
number.
14.
It will
10,
become
sir.
4 and it becomes
10.
14. Okay,
10.
10. So 10 we can get remainder. Okay, because 11 we are dividing by 11. That's why we can get 10 as the
Yes,
remainder. Okay, next. Can you subtract 10 from 3?
13.
Yes, no, sir.
No. Can you subtract
No, we
10
cannot.
from 3?
No, sir.
No. No means we have to reduce 10 by 1. It will become 9 and it will
9.
become 13.
13.
So can you subtract 9 from 13?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how much it is?
4.
4.
4.
Okay. Again, can you subtract 4 from 2?
No, sir.
No,
Then
we
reduce. Then reduce one number. Write it as, make it as 3 and make it as 12.
12.
Now can you
Okay.
subtract 3 from 12?
Yes, sir.
How much it is?
9.
9. So 9 will be the remainder. Okay. Got it? All of you.
Yes, sir.
493 with remainder 9. And here one more thing is, if you want decimal for this question for the division by 11, if you want
Sir, for
decimal,
98, how, sir?
Sorry?
98 and 8.
sorry,
Sir, for division, for
for
8,
98
how?
and all those things we'll see later. Okay.
Okay.
Decimal we'll see later. So for 11 we have a special technique. That's why I'm telling that point here. Simply 326 point reduce 1. The remainder we have to reduce by 1. So 1 minus 1 is
0. So it will be directly 326.
And this is 325.9.
25.9.
And this is 493.8.
493.8.
Okay. So if
Yes,
you
sir.
want decimals, you can reduce remainder by 1. Okay. Actually, how many questions are there? I don't know. Let me see the questions now. 1. Why people are leaving?
Don't know.
2.
Don't know, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's all. No, 7. And one more is 8. Yeah, 8 questions are there.
Sir, instead of 1, can I take 3?
Okay.
Sir, I already gave.
Sir, instead
Ah.
of 6, can I take 8?
Okay, this is for Vishnu. Next.
Sir, 2 Krishna.
Anybody took 7?
Sir, I took
Sir,
Bhavya.
Navya.
took.
Okay. Next.
Not Navya, sir, Bhavya.
Bhavya. Oh, sorry.
Sir, can you show the last my question, sir?
Bhavya, take your question. I will scroll up.
Yes, sir.
Did you take your question, Vishnu?
Sir, just a minute. I'm noting it down.
Okay.
95248715.
95248715.
Sir, can you show the third problem? I want to note it down.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, I was waiting for the longest problem, so that's why.
Okay. Then 6th question. Anybody took 6? Anyone?
Sir, Shreyasi.
Okay. Anyone 5? Shreyasi, take your question.
Sir, just now I took, sir. Yes. Sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. You're telling me to write it, sir. Again, show it, sir. Can you show it once again? Yes, sir.
59872.
59872.
Division by 11. Anybody took
Sir,
5?
Sir, it's 59782, right?
Sorry.
Yes, sir. I also got confused.
Okay. 59.
872.
59782. Okay. Anybody took 5? 5. No one. Okay, then 4. 4 also no one. Okay, 3.
Sir, Lalit, sir.
Okay. 2. Anyone?
Sir,
2?
2 Aditya.
Krishnaditya, I think. Okay. 2. Yeah, what about remaining questions? What happened, Navya? Navya, Pallav. Abhinav. Okay. Try to rejoin. Okay, if you are ready, we'll start with you, Krishnaditya.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
I will drop down 5.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 5, 4.
Okay.
Then 6 minus 4, 2.
Okay.
Then 8 minus
Sorry.
6, sir.
Okay. And the answer is?
542 and remainder is 6.
Correct. So 542 point, we can say 5 also. Third question, Lalit.
Sir,
Yes, sir,
completed.
3979 divided by 11. Yes, sir. So 3 drop down.
Okay.
So then 6, 9 minus 3.
Okay.
7 minus 6, 1.
Okay.
9 minus 1, 8. So 361 with remainder 8 or 361.7.
361.7. Yeah. Let me solve this question. Actually, you both took those questions without any borrow. But in this question, who? Abhinav?
Abhinav.
Yeah, proceed.
Sir, so 6 drop down
Okay.
and
2 minus 6.
2 minus 6 we'll get -4. So we'll add
Not
1 to 16.
reduce 6 by 1 becomes 5 and 1 to
12.
Becomes 12. Now 12 minus 5 is possible?
Yes, sir. That
much?
will be 7.
Yeah, 7. Now again, can you subtract 7 from 4?
No.
No means reduce 7 by, make 7 by 6 and 4 by
14.
14. Okay.
14
Then,
minus 6 will be 8.
Yeah, 8. Again, can you subtract 8 from 1?
And that will be 11.
Yeah, it will be
11 minus 7 is 4.
4.
Yeah, 4.
Yeah, 4. And the answer is?
5, 6, 7 with the remainder 4.
Okay.
That will be 567.3.
Yeah, very good. Correct. Then let me solve this question. Anyone having interest, you can. Okay, drop 7. Because 6 minus 7 is not possible. I'm making it 6 and making it 16. Now, 16 minus 6 is 10. Okay. Now again, we cannot subtract 10 from 4. That's why reduce 10 by 1, it becomes 9 and it becomes 14. Now 9 minus 14 is possible. 14 minus 9 is possible. 5. Again, 3 minus 5 is not possible. That's why I'm making it 4.
13.
And I'm making it 13. Now 13 minus 4 is possible or not? Possible, and it is how much? 9. That's all. That 9 is the remainder. Okay.
Sir, I'm still not understanding that part, sir. Should we add or subtract, or should we just drop it down?
If you consider 10 as the base, if he has given 9 or 8 or 7 something, we have to add. We have to deal with additions. If numbers are given like 11, we have to subtract, minus. Okay. Here division by 11. No? Just remember, division by 11, we have to subtract.
Question, sir. If you get the remainder 0, what should we?
Sorry?
Sir, if we get the remainder 0, we have to subtract 1 still, right, sir?
No need to subtract.
Not
Directly
need, right?
that will be the answer.
Okay, sir.
Because there is no remainder.
Sir, I did not understand it, sir. Not that minus part, sir. That when you drop it down, sir, and then again you like, what do we do when you go
7,
up again?
6, 4, 3. Stacy, please respond to my question. First drop down 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
7. Now we need to subtract 7 from 6. From the next digit, we need to subtract that resultant.
7 from 6, sir, it is not possible.
Sorry?
7 from 6, sir, it will not be. Then 7 minus 6 it will be, but 7 from 6 it won't be.
Yeah, 7 minus 6. It is not 7 minus 6. Above number minus below number.
Okay, sir. Then it is not possible.
Not possible. Then we are making this number like 6 and we are making this number 16.
One carryover, or maybe let's say borrowing.
Borrow actually. This one is borrow. 7 is lending 1 to 6.
Okay, so then it becomes 16.
16. Now 16 minus 6 is?
10.
10. Again, from top number 4, we need to subtract 10. Is it possible?
No.
No means again we are making it 9 and we are making it 14.
14.
Now from 14, can you subtract 9? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can.
How much it is? 14 minus 9.
Sir, 14 minus 9, it is 5.
5. Again, from top number 3, can you subtract 5?
No.
No means reduce this number by 1,
Borrow.
becomes a 4, and it becomes 1. So 13. 13 minus 4 is possible or not?
Yes, sir. 13 minus 4 it is.
Possible.
Sir,
How much it is?
Sir,
Tell.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell Vishnu.
Sir, if we get a 0, what should we do, sir?
Where?
Like in subtracting 0 with
Anywhere,
Same
sir.
procedure. Same procedure. Suppose if any number like 2, 0, 3 divided by 11, suppose. Okay. First drop down 2. Then can you subtract 2 from 0?
Sir, not like that, sir. Like you after subtracting, you get 0 and upper number is not 0. How do we do like that?
Sorry, after subtracting.
How do I tell you, sir? Like
Okay.
You
In this
got-
place, if you get 0,
yes, sir, like that.
then it is possible to subtract from 0 from any number. 3 minus 0 is 3 only.
Directly, sir, because when I'm checking the answers, they are a little different.
That is what I'm telling. If you are getting 0 here, then it is very easy because you can subtract 0 from any number. From any number, you can subtract 0. Okay, directly that number will be dropped down. If you are getting 0 here, directly the next digit will be dropped down. Okay. Vishnu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, okay.
Okay, then Shreyasi, proceed.
Okay, sir. Sir, 5 drop down, sir.
Okay,
Now 9 minus 5 we can do, so it will be 4.
okay,
Now 7 minus 4 we can do, it is 3.
okay,
8 minus 3 is 5.
okay,
Now we cannot do 2 minus 5, so it will be,
it
you have
becomes,
to cut that and make it 4
okay,
and borrow 1 over there.
sorry, we should not cut this.
Well,
We have
you
to
should
make
not
it.
cut that, yes, sir.
12
12.
minus 4
Now
is
12 minus 4 is 8.
8, and the answer is
5, 4, 3, 4 with the
with the
remainder
remainder of
8.
8. That's all.
8.
Or we can say 5434.7. Bhavya.
Yes, sir, I'm not getting the sum, sir. I'm confused.
Okay. Let us do together. Okay, explain me. First drop down 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you subtract
And
2 from 1?
minus 2? No, sir.
No, that's why we have to make it 1 and make it 11. Okay. 11 minus 1 is how much?
10.
10. Again, can you subtract the 10 from 5?
No.
No means we have to make this 10 by 9 and we have to make this 5 by 15. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Next is 15 minus 9 is possible or not?
Yes.
How much? 6. Now 7 minus 6 is possible?
Yes.
1.
1.
8 minus 1 is?
7.
7. Now see, can you subtract 7 from 6? Above
No.
number, from the above number 6, can you subtract this 7?
No, sir.
No means reduce this number by 1, becomes 6, and it becomes 16. Now 16 minus 6 is how much?
10.
10. Next, again, can you subtract 10 from 4?
No.
No means we have to make the 10 9 and make it 14. Okay.
Okay.
And lastly, can you subtract 14 from 9?
No.
can you subtract 14? Sorry, 9 from 14, not 14 from 9. 9 from 14?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
how
sir.
much it is?
So 5.
Yeah, and the answer is 196,169 with remainder 5. Okay, so it is a mixed question. Mixed question means sometimes a subtraction is possible and sometimes subtraction is not possible. In this case, not possible. In this case, not possible. But in this case, possible. In this case, possible. Here it is not possible. Here it is not possible. Here, possible. Okay, it is a mixed question. Okay.
Yeah.
Then question number 8. Vishnu, proceed. I think it is also
Sir,
a mixed
drop
question.
down
9.
9. Then 9 cannot be subtracted from 5.
Okay.
So cut 9, it will become 8.
Okay.
And if 5 will become 15.
Yeah, correct.
6, sir.
15 minus 8 is?
6.
No. 7.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, 7. Again, the same problem, I think. From
Yes,
2?
sir.
2 minus
It
7
will
is?
become 6, sir. 7 cut it and it will become 6.
And it becomes?
12, sir, and 6, sir.
And the result is? 6.
6, sir.
Again, same problem.
Sir, the 6 will become 5 now.
Okay.
And 4 will become 14, sir.
Okay.
And 5 minus 14 is 9.
14 minus 5 is 9. Okay. Again, the same problem.
Sir, the 9 will become 8.
Okay.
Will become 8. And 8 will become 18. And 18 minus 8 is 10, sir.
10. Okay.
Sir,
Next.
and it is not possible. 10 will become 9.
Okay. Whole question you are getting bothersome.
Yes, sir. At 17 it will become, sir, 7.
7 becomes 17. Okay.
Answer is 8, sir.
Yeah, when we subtract it is 8.
Yes, sir.
Again
8.
problem. Again borrow.
Same, sir. 8 will become here 7, sir.
Okay. And 1 becomes?
1 will become 11, sir.
1 become 11 and 8 becomes 7.
Yes, sir.
11 minus 7 is?
4.
Yeah, now it is possible.
1, sir.
This is bonus for you. 1. Okay.
So minus. Sir, to change it to decimal, it will be, we have to subtract the remainder minus 1. So it will be 865,897.0, which will be
0 means we are stopping with 1 digit. Maybe some more digits can be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about division by 11. So we have completed all special types of divisions. Now we are moving on to general division. General division. Okay, any number division by 2-digit number. Any number division by 2-digit number. Here there are no conditions. This number must be series of ones or series of nines, or it should be 99.
Any number of digits with any number of digits, like that, sir.
Yeah, any number divided by a 2-digit number.
Okay.
A 2-digit number. We'll see first 2-digit number. Later we'll move on to 3-digit, 4-digit also.
What
Okay.
about 5-digit?
Yeah, we have very less time, and you have to listen carefully this method. If you understand this method, we can do many exercises on this method only. Here we have a pattern. We have a format to write this question. See here, the dividend is 209. 209. And we have to divide with 52. Now we have to split this 52. We have to split this 52 in this way. So this 5 will be the divisor. 5 will be the divisor. And we have to write this 2 on flag. Okay. So if you recollect once our sutras, there is a sutra called on the flag. On the flag. There is a sutra called on the flag. And 2 is on the flag now. In this question, 2 is on the flag now. Got it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
what is flag, sir?
Sorry?
What is flag?
Yeah, what is that flag and all those things we'll see now. Okay. So the divisor is 4, sorry, divisor is 5 and 2 is on the flag. Remember that point. Divisor is 5 and 2 is on the flag. And we are going to deal this complete division by 5 only. Instead of dealing with 52, is it not better to deal with it 5? That is not India flag. Okay. Tell me, instead of dividing by 52,
Yes, sir, it is better.
is it not
Yes, sir,
better
we are-
to divide by 5?
Yes, sir, it is better.
Next,
It
to
will
see
be
one
lot
more thing here. One more thing here is, in flag, how many digits are there?
Sir, one.
Only one digit means from right side. From right side, after one digit, we have to make a separation. And before this separation, we'll give quotient. And after this separation, we'll give remainder.
Reminder.
Okay, before this separation, we'll get quotient. And after this separation, we'll get remainder.
Reminder.
Yeah, see. And first we'll start with the 5 only because our divisor is 5 here. Okay. In 5, 20 will, sorry, in 25 will go or not go? Will not go.
Yes, sir, it is
How many times it will go?
4 times.
4 times it is. 5 4s are
5 4s are 20.
20. So 20. If you subtract 20 from 20, what is your remainder? What is the
Zero.
resultant? 0. And don't write 0 here. Write it before 9 and consider it as 0 9.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So every time remember this point. First we have to do with the divisor. First we have to do with the divisor and we have to deal with the flag. Again the same cycle repeats. Divisor, flag, divisor, flag, divisor, flag. That is the cycle. Okay. Now we have completed with divisor. Now coming to the flag. 5 4s are 20 is over. Now flag number is 2. 2 4s are 2 4s are
8, sir. 8.
8. Now 9 minus 8 is how much?
1, sir.
That's all. Question is over. 4 with remainder 1.
Sir, what about converting them to decimal?
4 with remainder 1. Sorry? What,
Sir,
Vishnu?
can we convert? Sir, can we convert?
Yeah,
this into
conversion. I
decimal?
already mentioned. Conversion we'll see in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Decimal conversion we'll see in the next class. As of today's class, we'll see with the remainders only. We'll deal with remainders only. Quotient and remainder format. All of
Yes,
you
sir, you can
understood
start
this
it.
one or any doubt? If you have any doubt, again, I will explain.
No doubt for me, sir.
Dhatri, Shreyasi, Navya, all of you understood this one or not?
Yes, sir. I mean, sir, I
can
didn't
I-
understand some parts, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
But
I
can
will
you
explain.
in that one, sir? Some part I,
I
didn't
will
understand.
I will explain that second one so that you will be understood. Okay. Here the question is
sir,
3.
people are chatting, sir.
Stop writing. Stop writing in the chat box.
Sir, Krishnaditya is saying India flag. And
Okay.
Lalita Aditya is saying LOL.
Okay. Stop writing in chat and respond to my questions, all of you. 321 we are going to divide with what? With what number?
60.
60.
63,
So here
sir.
the divisor is how much?
6. Sir, 6
And the
divided.
flag is how much?
3 flag. 3 flag.
And then flag is 3, sir.
3 is on the flag. Okay. First we have to deal with the divisor and later we have to deal with the flag. Divisor and
The
flag
flag
is
was only 1 digit, so we have to divide 32 and
Yeah.
1, sir.
correct. Flag is having only 1 digit. That's why from right side after
Yes, sir,
1 digit
separate.
we have to make a separation. And
Sir,
before
can we do?
separation, sorry.
Sir, can you do 2024 divided by 57?
Yeah, we'll do one more question after doing this one.
Wait, sir is telling this one, then next year.
Yeah, let us do that question also. See, 32, in 32, 6 will go or not go?
No, sir, it will not go.
No,
No.
sir, it will not go, sir.
In
30
32, 6
will
will
go,
not
sir,
go.
not 32.
Yes,
No,
in
sir.
32, 6 will go. How many times?
Sir, how will it go? 6 5 are 30 and 6
Sir?
6 are 30.
Leave the remainder. Okay, leave the remainder.
Okay,
Remainder may be
okay,
there.
understood, sir. Then it will come, sir.
How many times it is?
6 5 are 35.
Yeah, very good. 6 5 are 30. Sorry, 6 5 are
30, sir.
6 5 are 30,
30.
sir.
Okay,
Sir,
6 5 are
not
30. 6 5 are 30. And 32 minus 30 is how much?
2, sir. We have to put it
Two, sir.
beside
Yeah,
one,
don't
sir.
write
21
2
it
here.
will become.
All of you listen to me. Don't write 2 here. 2, write it
We have
before
to
next
write
digit
it beside 20.
and consider it as 21.
21.
Okay. Now with the divisor completed, now we have to go for
Go to the flag, sir.
flag. 3 5 are
3 5 are 15.
15.
15. 21 and minus 15 is how much?
6.
6. So that's all. So
Sir, it
5
will
with the
be
remainder
6.
6.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Very
Oh.
easy now.
Okay. So this
Okay,
is a general
sir.
division. Again, somebody asked me one question. Tell that question. 2021 something.
2024 divided by something, sir. I don't remember.
Yes, sir. 2024 divided by 57.
2025. Okay. Actually, this is more than number of digits. Okay, let us continue this one also. 2024 with the divisor.
57. he told, I
57.
guess.
57. In that 57, divisor is
5
5
divisor, 7 flag.
and 7 is only
7
flag.
is a flag.
And
Sir, we
flag
have to
consists of only
divide
one
4,
digit.
sir. From the right to left, we have to
From
go.
right?
One line will go 4, sir.
Yeah, this will be quotient part. Sorry, this is quotient part and it is the remainder part.
Sir, 40 times 200, sir. 202.
Okay, see, into 5 will go or will not go?
Yes, sir, it will go 40 times.
No. Directly you are saying.
Yes, sir, 40 times it will go, sir. 200. 2 will
Okay.
come remainder 24. It.
Okay. Because we don't have that much time, I'm directly taking 40 times. Okay. 540 times it is 200. 540 times it is 200. And what is the
Sir,
remainder
2
now?
will go beside 12.
But it will lead to a wrong answer, I think. 1 second.
Okay, sir. No problem.
We'll go digit by digit only. Here. Okay. Yeah, into 5 will not go. That's why I'm taking 20. That's why I'm taking 20.
4 times.
In 25, 5, how many times it will go? 4 times. If you
4
take
times.
4 times, it becomes how much? 20.
20.
4 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is how much?
0.
We have to write that 0 before next digit. 02.
Okay, understood.
Not completed. Who gave this question?
Lalit.
Lalit, are you there?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
let it give.
Yeah, please try to concentrate on this. Now divisor is over now. Now we have to go to the flag. 7 4s are how much? 7 4s are
28, sir. 28.
28. Can you subtract 28 from 02?
No, sir.
No. So this in this situation, in this case, we have to do one thing here. See, instead of taking 4 times, we have to take only
40 times.
3 times only. Because we 4 times is exceeding now, that's why I'm
Oh,
taking
okay,
3
sir.
times. So 5 3s are how much?
5
Sir,
3 are
15. Sir,
15.
15.
Yeah, 15. 20 minus 15 is how much?
5, sir.
5. 5.
5. Now the
Go
number becomes
sir.
52. 52. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Actually, this thing I need to cover in the next class. But as you asked this question, I'm covering here only.
Sir, then no exercises, sir, today.
Okay, no issue. We'll do that exercise in the next class only. 52. Okay, divisor part is over now. Now coming to the flag part. 7 3s are
Sir, 21.
21.
21. 52 minus 21 is how much?
Sir, 31.
Sir,
30.
31.
31. Yeah, in that 31, 5, how many times will go again? Divisor,
Sir,
flag. After division,
6
then
times,
flag.
sir.
Then again division. Divisor.
6 times, sir.
Yeah, 6 times it is
30.
30 and the remainder is?
2.
No, 1. 32, 31 minus
1,
30 is
sir.
1.
Sorry, sir. 1.
So if you write that one before 14, sorry, before 4, it becomes 14. But again, the flag multiplication, 7 6 are
7,
42, right?
56. Yes, sir. 42. Yes, sir.
42. So we
I
cannot
got with
subtract
8 stamp.
we cannot subtract 42 from 14. Again, we have to reduce that by 1. Okay, 6 times.
Sir.
We cannot take 6 times. After doing some exercise, it will be easy, but in the beginning class only, you are making them to do this. Okay, instead of taking 6 times, take 5 times only.
Sir, I am unable to understand, sir, very clearly.
Okay, tell me, 5 5 sir?
25.
25. Now,
So 27
sorry.
then.
One second. Where is the problem here? 6 times it is 30 and the remainder is 21. Okay. So this is, sorry. This is 5, 30. Sorry, 5 5 is a 25, no? 5 times 25. And the remainder is? What is the remainder here?
27.
27.
Yes, sir.
So actually in the previous case, we have taken how much it is? 6 times, huh?
Yes, sir.
1 sec. Okay. I'm continuing from this point, or otherwise I will start from the beginning only. Yeah, as we know already, we cannot take 5 times. Directly, I'm taking 4 times only. Sorry. We cannot take 4 times. Directly, I'm going to 3 times only. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 15 and the remainder is? Tell me. The remainder is? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
20 minus 15 is how much?
5, sir.
5. Now the number becomes 52. So divisor is work is over. Now coming to the flag. 7 3s are? 7 3s are?
So 14. And 21.
21. If you subtract 21, this number becomes?
31.
31. Yeah, in this 31, previous case, we have taken 6 times. 6 times, we are not getting subtraction. That's why I'm considering 5 times only. Okay, now tell me 5 5 is a?
25. 31 minus
25.
25.
So 25. 31 minus 25 is how much?
6.
6. Now it becomes 64.
64.
Okay. Again, divisor is over. Now coming to the flag. 7 5 is a?
35.
35. Now subtract 64. Sorry, 35 minus from 64, how much it is?
So 29, I think.
29. That's all. Here the answer is 35 with the remainder 29.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye. We'll do exercise in the next class. Mostly in 2-3 classes, we can complete the complete course.